Assalamu alaikum. I am Isha Vilayat. Today I am going to discuss about the biodiversity. Introduction. Concept of biodiversity and its type, distribution of biodiversity, biodiversity and balance of nature, benefits of biodiversity, threats to biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity, biodiversity of Pakistan and India, conventions on biodiversity, conclusion and reference. Introduction. The term biodiversity was first coined by Walter G. Rosen in 1986. The biosphere comprises of a complex collection of innumerable organisms known as biodiversity, which constitute the vital life support for survival of human race. Biological diversity, abbreviated as biodiversity, represent the sum total of various life forms such as unicellular fungi, protozoa, bacteria, and multicellular organisms such as plants, fishes, and mammals at various biological levels, including gens, habits, and ecosystems. Biodiversity, bio means bio and life. Biodiversity. What does biodiversity means? Diversity means variety. Concept and types of biodiversity. Biodiversity is a variety of life forms on Earth and the essential interdependence of all living things, as defined in Convention on Biological Diversity signed at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in 1992 by 154 countries. The biodiversity defined as the variable among living organisms from all sources, including inter alia, terrestrial, marine, and other aquatic ecosystem, and the ecological complexes of which the area part. This include diversity within species, between species, and of ecosystem. According to IUCN, in 1998, the variety and variability of species of their population, the variety of species of their life form, the diversity of the complex associations with species, with their interactions and their ecological process which influences perform. There are three types of biodiversity: diversity of species, diversity of ecosystem, diversity of genes. Distribution of biodiversity. Floral and fauna diversity depends on climate, altitude, soils, presence of other species. Most of the biodiversity concentrated in tropical regions. Biodiversity hotspots. A region with high biodiversity with most of species being endemic. India have two biodiversity hotspots: East Himalayan region and Western Ghats. Biodiversity and balance of nature. Trophic level. Elimination of species from trophic level can cause destruction of ecosystem as well as biodiversity. Plants in forest, deer and lion. Complex ecosystem. In a complicated ecosystem having several trophic levels, loss of one or more species do not cause any serious problem because the alternative available. Keystone species loss or addition of species cause detectable change in ecosystem rates, i.e., species make unique contribution to ecosystem functioning. Nicky complementary difference among species in their requirement for different resources will cause complementary interaction so that a species could obtain more resources. Biodiversity, bio means bio and life. Benefits of biodiversity. Consumption value: food, drink, fuel, medicine, better crop varieties, industrial material. Non-consumptive values: recreation, education and research, traditional value. Ecological services, balance of nature, biological productivity, regulation of climate, degradation of waste, cleaning of air and water, cycling of nutrients, control of potential pests and decreasing causing species, detoxification of soil and sediments, stabilization of land against erosion, carbon sequestration and global climate change, maintenance of soil fertility. Threats of biodiversity. Natural causes: narrow geographical area, low population, low breeding rate, natural disasters. Pogenic causes: habitat modification over exploitation of selected species, innovation by exotic pollution, hunting, global warming and climate change, agriculture, and domino effect. Recent issue of biodiversity. Some 75% of the genetic diversity of crop plant being lost in the past century. Some scientists estimate that as many as 3 species per hour are going extinct and 20,000 extinctions occurs each year. Roughly one-third of the world coral reef system have been destroyed or highly degraded. About 24% of mammals and 12% of bird species are currently considered to the globally threatened. More than 50% of the world wetlands have been drained and populations of inland water and wetland species have declined by 50% between 1970 and 1999. Conservation of biodiversity. Biodiversity inventories, conserving biodiversity in protected habitats, in situ conservations, ex situ conservations, seed bank, gene bank, pollen bank, DNA bank. Restoration of biodiversity, imparting environmental education, in acting, strengthening and enforcing environmental legislation, population control, reviewing the agriculture practice, controlling urbanization, conservation through biotechnology. Here's the chart of biodiversity conservation in situ, ex situ, scared groves and lakes, biosphere reserves, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, scared plant home garden, terrestrial, marine, seed bank, gene bank, and cryopreservations, but botanical garden and zoological garden aquaria. Biodiversity of Pakistan. Pakistan being a transitional zone between three zoogeographical regions, the Pleiadic and the Oriental, the Ethiopian, and a country with rapid change in an altitude that affect vegetation and wildlife. Pakistan has some of the world's rarest animal and plants. Biodiversity in India. Categories: mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and freshwater fish. Number of Indian species 386, birds 1219, reptiles 495, amphibians 207, and freshwater fish 700. Percent of India species evaluated: mammals 59, birds no, reptiles 73, amphibians 79, freshwater 46. Species threatened in India: mammals 41%, birds 7%, reptiles 46%, amphibians 57%, and freshwater fish 70%. Biodiversity conventions. The first convention on biodiversity, organized in Rio de Janeiro, capital of Brazil, from June 5 to 6, 1992, named as United Nations Conference of Environment and Development, better known as Rio Summit, in maintain ecological balance and enrich biodiversity. The agreement on biodiversity, signed by 150 countries including 3 programs to ensure conversion of biodiversity, sustainable use of biodiversity, rational and equitable share of profit to occur from use of genetic resources. The second convention, organized to Johannesburg in 2002, called World Summit on Sustainable Development (WSSD), where the biodiversity and sustainable ecosystem management was the issue. The international conference held on biodiversity is relation to food and human security in a warming planet, 15 to 17 February 2010, in Chennai. International Conference on Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation, held on 3 to 5 June 2010 at Dal Lake, Srinagar, Kashmir. Indian Biodiversity Congress (IBC) and Indian Biodiversity Expo (IBE) will be held on 27-31 December at Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Conclusion. Biodiversity is our life. If the biodiversity got lost at this rate, then in a near future the survival of human being will be threatened, so that it will be the our environment. Long due to term maintenance of special, and their management requires cooperative and well and moral duty to the conserving biodiversity. Cooperative efforts across entire landscape biodiversity should be defined with the scale of habits or ecosystem rather than at species. References: Royce Owen, Environmental Science, published Syndicate 2003, Kolkata. Dhara SS, Environmental Chemistry and Pollution Control, S. Chand and Company Limited, New Delhi. Schools, Ernest, Detlef Money, Harvard Biodiversity and Ecosystem Functions, Springer Verlag, London. Mahapatra Pradipta Kumar, Textbook of Environmental Biotechnology, IK International Pub House Private Limited, 2006, New Delhi. Khan TI Global Biodiversity and Environmental Conservation, Pointer Publisher, 2001, Jaipur. Thank you so much.